Hi, I'm attorney Stephen Leahy, and I help business owners and independent contractors fight back against the IRS. If you're behind on tax returns, if you owe more than you can pay, if you've received those IRS letters, you're in the right place. Today I'm walking you through the exact 5-step system we use to help people just like you solve IRS problems and stay out of the trouble for good. No gimmicks, no loopholes, just real proven steps that work. Step 1, initiate contact. It's simple, but powerful. We initiate contact on your terms. The biggest mistake people make is ignoring the IRS. The second biggest mistake? Calling them unprepared. When we step in, we file a power of attorney. That means we deal with the IRS, not you. We pull transcripts, decode every notice, and get the facts straight. What do they think you owe? What returns are missing? What's about to happen next? Quick story. I can't tell you how many times I met with a client for the first time, and the client brought a pile of unopened IRS notices. All the notices are the same, right? Wrong. All notices are not the same. The IRS has a series of required letters that must be sent before they can take things away from you. So make sure that you get all the letters. Bottom line, don't stay in the dark. Let's take the first step with our eyes open. Step 2, stop the bleeding. Now we can move fast to stop the bleeding. If the IRS is about to freeze your bank account, garnish your wages, or slap you with a lien, we get in front of it. We may file an appeal, request a collection hold, or argue financial hardship. We also prepare a financial statement, what the IRS calls a Form 433. And trust me, if you fill this out wrong, it can ruin your case. I've had clients walk in thinking they owe $80,000. Then we restructure the numbers and cut it by half. This step gives us time. And in tax defense, time is leverage. Step 3, get compliant. Now we clean up the past. To negotiate with the IRS, you must be compliant. That means every return is filed, even if you can't pay. We gather records, reconstruct income, and work to file your personal tax returns, your business tax returns, payroll tax returns, and even sales tax if that's needed. One client hadn't filed in many years. We got him in compliance. You don't always have to file all the unfiled returns to get into compliance. The IRS doesn't expect perfection, but they do demand progress. Step 4, build your strategy. This is where we go on offense. There are 4 main resolution options. Installment agreements, which is monthly payments. Offers in compromise, which you settle for less. Currently not collectible status, which is a hardship deferral. Sometimes bankruptcy is the fastest, easiest way to solve IRS problems. You can also talk about penalty abatement here, where you can eliminate some of the fees. Which one is right for you? That depends on your assets, your income, the equity in your home, and future earning potential. We tailor this step to you, not some generic software output. And here's the best part. You don't negotiate, we do. You don't call the IRS, we do. You don't explain yourself to strangers, we do it for you. That's what it means to have someone in your corner. Step 5, lock the door. Now let's keep this from happening again. We put guardrails in place, things like real bookkeeping systems, entity structure adjustments, tax planning, automatic quarterly payments. The goal isn't just to survive this problem, it's to never face it again. When we lock the door behind you, that's when real peace of mind begins. That's the Freedom Fighter framework. But it only works if you take the first step. So here's what I want you to do. Click the link below. Schedule a confidential strategy call. Let's find out exactly where you stand and how we can fix it. And if you found this helpful, subscribe, share the video, and send it to someone who needs it. I'm attorney Stephen Leahy, and I help business owners like you fight the IRS, solve tax problems, and win back your freedom. Thanks for watching.